Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a lock screen shortcut on the iPhone home screen. First, go to your phone settings. From here, scroll down and select General. Then tap on Software Update and wait for it to check for the latest update. Now make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version. Now go back and go to Shortcuts and then tap on the plus icon on the top right. Now tap on Add Action. Now in the search bar, search for lock screen and then tap on Set Wallpaper from the results. Now tap on Share on the bottom. From here, scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. Here, give your shortcut a title. Once you're done, tap on Add on the top right. Now go to your home screen and you will see the lock screen shortcut has been added. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.